Welcome back to my channel everybody, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log into your POF account. What POF means is POF's full form is plenty of fish, and it is an online dating website. So in this video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can log into it. Now before I show you guys how you guys can do it, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once a new video releases. So let's start the video. So the first step is you want to go to your search engine and search for POF login. After searching for POF login, you want to click on where it says login over here, and it's going to take you to www.pof.com. Now once you're over here, you want to enter your username or your email of your POF account. And after entering that, you want to enter your password over here. And after entering your username and password of your account, once you click on login, you should be able to log in into your POF account if your username and password is correct. But in some condition, if you're not able to log in into your account, then basically your username or your password, one of them is mistake or both of them is mistake. So make sure to double check them and make sure they're correct. And if in another condition you forget your password, you can always click on where it says forget your password and then reset your password and recover your account. So that's basically how you guys can log in into your POF account, otherwise known as plenty of fish. So if you guys found this video helpful, then consider hitting that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel so you guys can get notified for our future POF related videos. And I will see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.